Hi everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. I have started the Christmas shopping, but I have the regular shopping in on top of it as well, so I just said I'd pull out the camera. I have some stuff put away, but I will try and grab everything on camera for you. So I have my regular fruit that I get every week, because there's no point stocking up on that. So of your little red apples, these are what I've started getting recently because they're absolutely delicious. They're so juicy. Leaf clementines. I have my organic fair trade bananas there and some Granny Smiths in there. Then 2 packets of free range eggs, Supervalu brand. I usually get the large, but they only had 1 large left, so I had to grab a medium as well. And some toothpaste. The Aquafresh was half price. I grabbed 3 of these prawns, frozen prawns, 200 grams. These are for Christmas Day and St. Stephen's Day slash Boxing Day, as it's called in Britain, but we call it St. Stephen's Day, and our starter is always a prawn cocktail. And one of the things that I got, and I can't find at the moment, is a bulb for the fridge. That bulb just went this morning when I was cleaning the fridge. So I have a brown and a white. That's a sourdough white loaf. I got one of these pork steaks for stir fry maybe on Monday and Tuesday. Then cowboy steaks were half price, so I got enough first for the weekend, and there's some pork medallions. I'll pop some of those in the freezer too. And there's a coleslaw there somewhere. Well, it's the same one as this coleslaw, Supervalu coleslaw. I think that was it for, apart from the sliced ham as well. Now I have another mini fridge under the counter, and so what I got was one of these strawberry yogurts, cod for today's cod and chips. I have 4 butters packed in there, and our 3 litres of milk, which we get every week. And would you believe I have to top it up during the week normally? Next week I have 2 where are they? 2 of these, the white and the red cheddar. That's that from that fridge. I got some bulbs and I got some sellotape. Now, before I put these up on the shelf, I have Schweppes Slimline tonic water, which I like when I am having a glass of gin. There was an offer on the 7-Up and the Pepsi Max, so you get 3 of each for a £5. I just got some extra vegetable oil to have on hand. The Don Mio bolognese sauce was 2 for €4. The tomato ketchup, the Supervalu brand, is only like pittance. I'll tell the price in a minute. The original curry sauce was on offer. I just grabbed a couple of packets of tissues and kitchen roll, just so we don't run out of them during Christmas. There's just some noodles. The kids like these breadsticks. And there's the other Pepsi. Some plain flour, because I've run out of flour. They didn't have the Supervalu crackers, so I just got 2 of these Jacobs 50% extra free. They were on offer also. Some lemon juice and some porridge oatlets. Would you believe those organic porridge oatlets are only 99¢? Some Supervalu firelighters, they're €1, and just some flapjacks to have when we're out and about as a snack. I also got a couple of packets of toilet roll just to make sure we don't run out of those at Christmas as well. So that's it. That's today's shopping haul. And my total purchases came to €243.08. Irish Med purchases were €142.25. I had vouchers for €35. So my bill at the end was €208.08. Thank you all for joining me. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back next week with more of the Christmas shopping. Until then, God bless you all. See you soon. Bye.